Hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to talk about how to express your opinion and how to indicate a certain, like a degree of certainty, which is going to be useful for you in your academic writing when you write reports, when you describe graphs, or, well, when you do your masters as well, right? Let's see what do we have. So, of course, I'm going to move my head over here. Of course, you know by now how to give your opinion, how to talk about your opinion, right? If you don't, well. So look at these phrases over here. And of course, you know them. I hope so. So the question is, what can you say about the punctuation in these phrases? Can you take a look at them and note down something about the punctuation, something about commas, to be precise. You can pause the video if you want. Take your time and take a look at these phrases and see where there is a comma, when there is no comma. All right, hopefully you've done that. So the main thing is that when we have a linking word or a phrase in the beginning of a sentence, like for example, in my opinion, we use a comma after that, and then we continue the sentence. Yeah, in my opinion, comma, smoking is very dangerous for health. Full stop. Yeah. However, if we start, if your opinion is expressed by a subject and a verb, for example, I think that, or just I think, you do not use a comma after that. Okay? So I think smoking is harmful for your health. You use no comma there. You can use I think that, I think without that. Also, you see here, I agree, I disagree. It's a subject and a verb. Yeah, I'm certain, I'm sure, I am. Yeah, a subject and a verb. So after that, we don't use commas. Well, that's pretty straightforward, right? Moving on. Well, and when you talk about possibility, probability, certainty, there are different ways to say that, yeah, depending how sure you are in something, about something. So ranging from impossible to possible, here are the phrases. They are in your book as well, and quite a lot of them. Mostly they are kind of adverbs, right? However, there are also two modal verbs, must and might. And must is like you are very sure. Yeah. Like for example, say Abdullah didn't come for class, and I say, oh, he must be asleep now. Yeah. So it means I'm very sure he is asleep. Yeah. Or he's certainly asleep now. I'm sure. If I'm not very sure, I'm like, not, maybe he's asleep, maybe he's just, he is awake, but he didn't want to come. I say, he might be asleep. Or perhaps he's asleep, or, something like that. And of course, if you add not, it will be something like impossible, right? I think Abdullah is certainly not coming to class. Yeah. So it's impossible that he's coming. Okay, well, hopefully you know that. And take a look at these two sentences. Yeah, the sea level will rise in the next 50 years, and the temperature will not decrease soon. So if you use it in an academic writing, somewhere in your report or another paper, yeah, what do you think is wrong? Don't know where to put my face. Here, here, or here, here. I have to put myself here. Okay. So actually, if it's science, yeah, and you write something like the sea level will rise in 50 years, there are two options. Either you state the sources where you got this information from, yeah, or if it's your opinion and you didn't take it from the source, from some source, you need to state that it's your opinion, and then you need to use a certain level of probability, because otherwise it doesn't look reliable. Okay, it's not reliable when you write it like this. If you don't mention the source you took it from, or you don't say that it's your opinion, and you say like, okay, like this. This is the example. You can say, I think the sea level will certainly rise in the next 50 years. Well, it would be nice also if you give some examples of some scientific work talking about that as well after this. Yeah, give some examples, statistics and stuff. But it already looks better than this. If you just say it from your head and without saying that it's your opinion, it's not actually your scientific work, yeah, unless you are writing your research, you're conducting your research on that. About the second one, you can say, in my opinion, temperature is not likely to decrease soon. So it will make it look better a little bit. And after that, of course, it would be nice if you write some statistics, you refer to some source, this one or that one, yeah. Well, so that's the thing. When you write your opinion, it would be amazing if you could use these phrases to indicate how certain you are, how sure you are about what you're writing. Okay, well, there is some exercise on Moodle, and hopefully you got it. Hopefully you understood how to use these words. You can practice on Moodle, and then you can ask your teachers if you don't understand something. Bye.